Hello everyone. I welcome you all in this UPSC CSAT complete lecture series. And today we are going to start a new topic, and that is permutation and combination. It's very important topic. So we have to understand the basics first. Okay, the concept behind the permutation and combination. Then only we will solve the PYQs or any practice questions. Okay. So first we have to understand what is permutation and combination. So let's begin. See, in our day-to-day life, we are very often required to know the number of ways in which a particular work can be done. Right? For this, we will have to know all possible ways to do that work. Right? For example, let's say, let there be three boys, Ramesh, then Mahesh and Suresh. Okay, and there is a one vacant chair. There is a one vacant space or chair, whatever you can say. So we want to know like in how many ways this can be occupied by one boy out of Ramesh, Mahesh and Suresh. Okay, so it is clear from the following figure like either Mahesh will occupy this chair, either Ramesh or Mahesh or Suresh will occupy this chair, right? So the number of ways for this work is 3. Are you getting this thing? Right. So now we consider another problem. Like there will be two person. Like there is person A and B. You understand this example? Okay, fine. So now consider another example. Like there be two person A and B, and they are to be seated in a row. Row means like this is first chair, this is second chair, this type of arrangement. Okay, so they have to seated in this chair. So what is the possible ways? So either you can say A can be seated in this place, then after that B can be seated in this place, right? This is the one possibility. Another possibility is B can be seated in this place and A can be seated in this place. Someone can say like, so this is both are seated in this place, both are getting space in both chair like AB and BA. So what is the difference? So difference is the order. In the first chair you can see that in the first chair A is occupied that is space, and in the second chair the B is occupied this space, but in this arrangement B has occupied the first space and then A has occupied the space, right? So there are two arrangements. Okay, why? Because here the order matters, right? So that's why there is two possibilities. Getting this thing? Okay, it's important to understand like what is arrangement and what is like what is combination. We have to understand like these things. Okay, so now you are ready to understand like what is permutation and what is combinations. Fine. Okay, like understand this one. You can copy this one. Like what is permutation? Permutation means arrangement of things. Okay, and here the order matters. For example, right now we have done like A then B or B and A like this, or you can say if 3 person are there, we can say A B C A C B, then B A C B C A like this you can write, or C A B C B A. Okay, actually in all 6 permutations arrangements, there is only 3 persons A B C, but you can see the orders in all 6 arrangements. The order is different. Okay, that's why there is 6 arrangements. So permutation will be, number of permutation will be 6. Okay, but in case of combination it's called selection of things. There is a no concept of order. Like if I say there are 5%, okay, and we have to, you can say 5%, or you can say like, okay, 5%, there are 5%, and we have to arrange them. Sorry, we have to, okay, let's say there are 10%, and we have to select, out of 10 we have to select only 5%. Okay, so there is no order required. We can select any 5%. Out of 10, we can select any 5%, and they are like, they can be in group. Okay, or you can say there are 10 shirts. Okay, and we have to select, out of 10, we have to select 5 shirts. So we can select any 5 shirts. There should be no order. There is no concept of order there, no compulsion of order, right? So in that type of problem, we have to simply select the things, and that is called combinations. You are getting the difference between permutation and combination. Just understand like this one, like in permutation there is the order matters, and in combination there is no concept of orders. Okay, and here we are just selecting the things, and here we are arranging the things. Like in library we are arranging the books in systematic order. So in permutation we can say it's systematic order, matic order. Okay, so order matters. Here there is no order. Okay, now just see the examples so that you can understand better. Right now I have told you, like there are 3 persons, A, B and C. Okay, and we have to arrange in 3 chairs. We have to arrange 3 person in 3 chairs. So how to arrange them? So we can say like A, B, C, or A, C, B. First take the A in the first chair, then we are arranging the B and C. Okay, then you can see like first, in first chair there can be B, and again it is A and C, and here is B, C, A, and like that it is C, A, B and C, B, A. Okay, so here you can see there are, these are 6 arrangements, possible arrangements, right? And here if you change the arrangements, if you change the order of arrangement, the arrangement will change. Like if I say we are changing the arrangement of B and C, so it will be like A, C, B. So A, C, B, it will be like this one. Okay, so we can't change the arrangement, I mean the order of the arrangements. Okay, if we change the order of the arrangement, the arrangement will change, right? Let's take another example. Like there are 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we have to take 3 digits. Out of 5 digits we have to take 3 digits to make 3 digit number. Okay, so we can take any number. Like for example I am taking 1, 2, 3. Right now I am taking 1, 2, 3, then it will be 1, 3, 2, or 3, 1, 2, or 3, 2, 1, or 2, 1, 3, or 2, 3, 1. So like that you can see, like if I am changing the order, the number is changing, right? So here is also the order matters. We are using the same digits, we are using only 1, 2, 3. Okay, but the number is changing. Every time we are changing the order, the number is changing, right? So this is the importance of order. Okay, got it? So that means forming numbers with given digits means arranging the given digits, and it is the case of permutations. Okay, because we are arranging the digits. Okay, this is the case of permutations. I hope you have understood the permutation concept. Okay, now let's see the example for combinations. Be careful with the example so that you can understand like what is combination. Okay, so we are taking 5 points. We are taking 5 points, A, B, C, D and E. Okay, and which are I mean, out of these points, no three are collinears. Collinears means, you understood what is collinears? Means they are not in a line, in the same line. No 3 points are in the same line. Okay, and we want to know like the number of triangles formed having three vertices out of these points. Okay, out of these points A, B, C, D, E, we have to form a triangle. So we have to find like how many triangles can be formed. Okay, so let's say we are taking points A, B and C. Okay, let's say point A, point B, point C. Okay, point D is here, point E is here. Okay, we are taking point A, B, C. So it's a triangle. Okay, it's a triangle ABC. So if you want to write ABC, or you can write ACB, or you can write BCA or BAC, whatever you can write with these 3 points, whatever triangle form you can write with the help of these 3 points, the triangle will be same. The triangle is same, that is triangle ABC, this triangle. Okay, that means if we are changing the orders, it is not changing the result. That is, the triangle is same, triangle is not changing. Okay, so this is the case of combination, because we are changing the order but the result is same. Whatever the result we are getting, any results, the result is same. That is the same triangle we are getting. Okay, so this is the case of combination, right? Because we are selecting 3 points out of these 5 points. So any 3 points if you select, you will get the same triangle. Every time you will get the same triangle. Like what I am trying to say, if you select A, C, B, A, C and D, if you select 3 points A, C and D, in that case you can, whatever points you can say, I mean whatever order you can take, like A, C, D or A, D, C or D, A, C or D, C, A, whatever order you can take, you will get the same triangle. Every time you will get the same triangle, right? Now you understood this point. Okay, so this is the condition of case of combinations. Okay, likewise, if you want to say like out of 20 players, we have to select 11. Okay, so the number of combination, or you can say selection of 11 player out of 20 player, we have to find that one. Okay, so here whatever the selection is there, so there is no order of players. We have to select 20 players out of 11, sorry, we have to select 11 players out of 20 players. So there is a no order, we can select any players. Okay, so that is the case of combinations. This is the case of combinations, because we are selecting 11 players out of 20 players and there is a no order there. Okay, there is no compulsion of orders. Like let's say out of 20 players we have selected 11 players, any 11 players we have selected. Now we are arranging these 11 players, in any order. The players will be same, the combination, the selection will be the same, right? So that's why I'm saying this is the condition of combinations. So now understand, like few examples are there, which is the case of permutations. Cases of permutations are like, first, formation of number out of digits with given digits. That will be the case of permutations. Okay. Second thing is formation of words with given letters. Okay, and third one is arrangement of person in a row or at a round table. Okay, and fourth one is arrangement of books on a shelf, bookshelf. Okay, you can note it down, it will be important for you. Okay, whenever there is a question like this, you can easily catch that this type of question is from permutations only. Okay, now just cases of combination will be like, just note it down. So cases like formation of triangles, okay, group or team out of few members, okay, that will be the case of combinations. And second one is selection of questions from a question paper, that will be condition of this combination. Okay, so these are important things, you have to understand these things. Okay, this is very basics. So now next thing is we have to understand the fundamental principle of counting. So if you understand this topic, so your permutation combination topic will be very easy then. Okay, so let's begin that thing. Okay, so fundamental principle of counting. So first thing is multiplication rule. Okay, so understand this one, like if a work A can be done in m ways, work A can be done in m ways, okay, and another work B can be done in n ways. Okay, so we have to find like C is a work which is done only when both A and B are done. Okay, C is a work when A and B both work are done. In that case, the number of ways of doing the work C, that will be m cross n, m multiplied by n. Okay, so this will be your multiplication rule, right? Understood? And second thing is addition rule. So what is addition rule then? So for example, like let's say there is a work A, okay, that can be done in m ways, and there is another work B that can be done in n ways. Okay, so C is a work which can be done only when either A or B is done. Here what I am saying, what I was saying, like A and B is done, then C is done. Okay, here I am saying like C is done when A or B is done. Okay, in that case we will do like C is a work, it can be done in m plus n ways. Okay, so this will be your multiplication and addition rule. Got it? Like for example, we are saying there is two destination like Delhi and let's say Mumbai. Okay, there is two destination, and mode of transportation will be like what we can say, roadways or railways or airways. Okay, that means three ways are there. And finally what we can say, like accommodation, like we can stay at hotels or hostels or rentals. Three ways are there, three options are there. Okay, so we have to find like what are the possible possibilities are there, number of possibilities are there, total possibilities are there. So here is 2, so we have to travel possibilities we have to find. So we can say like we can go Delhi or we can go Mumbai. So there are two options. We can go via through roadway, through railways, through airways. So there are three options. Okay, wherever you are staying, okay, I'm just considering like you are at, let's say you are at Bhopal. Okay, you are at Bhopal, and from Bhopal you have two options, like you can go Delhi, you can go Mumbai. Okay, there are three modes of transport like roadways, railways and airways. Okay, and accommodations are hotel, hostels or rentals. Okay, so what are the total number of possibilities for this journey, possible travel journeys? Okay, so it will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Either you can go Delhi through roadways and staying at hotels, or you can go Delhi through railways and staying at hotels. Okay, so like that you can say like total number of possibilities will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and that will be 18 ways. So this will be your multiplication rule. Got it? So for addition rule we can consider, we can consider one situation, like suppose there are 5 doors in a room. Okay, 2 in this side and 3 in this side, right? And a man has to go out of that room. A man is inside that room, he has to go out of that room. So he has that man can go out from any one of that 5 doors. Okay, so thus the number of way in which a man can go out is 5, right? Total number of doors are 5, that's why total number of ways will be 5, right? So here the work of going out through the doors on one side will be done in 2 ways. From this side he can go through 2 ways, okay, and from this side he can go through 3 ways, right? So that work can be done in total 2 plus 3, that will be 5 ways. It is easy, understood? So like this we have to understand like what is multiplication rule and what is addition rule. Okay, see, permutation and combination is very important topic. If you see the last 3 years questions, so permutation combination will be a very important topic then. Okay, so that's why I was thinking like I can cover it in one lecture. So but right now I am thinking that it is not possible to cover in one lecture, so maybe it will be take 2 lectures. Okay, so today I am just giving you the introduction, the basic concepts, right? So we have understood like what is the rules of multiplication, what is the rule of addition, okay, what is the basics of permutation and combination. Now let's understand what is factorial. Right now just understand what is factorial, they're working, and later we will understood like while solving the importance of these factorials. Okay, so sometimes you will find like factorial and means n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 3, like that. Okay, till 1. For example, if I say factorial 10 is there, so factorial 10 is 9 multiplied by 8, 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. This is the factorial of 10. Okay, so few things you have to remember, like 0 factorial will be 1 and 1 factorial is also 1. Okay, so don't equate like 0 is when right side is equal then left side should be equal, so 0 will be 1. Don't equate like this one. Okay, so just understand like 0 factorial is equal to 1 and 1 factorial is equal to 1. And one more thing, like n factorial is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. Like if I say like 10 factorial is equal to 10 multiplied by 9 factorial. Like here if you see this is 10, okay, and this is actually 9 factorial, right? So that's why I was saying 10 factorial means 10 multiplied by 9 factorial, or n factorial is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. This is very important results you can use in while solving questions. Okay, that's why I was giving this these concepts, right? So now try few questions and then we will finish this lecture. Okay, so here is your question, like number of 5 digit number with digits 1 2 3 4 5, and there is a one important condition, like repetition is not allowed. Like if I say 5 digit number means first position, second, third, fourth, fifth, this is the positions of digits. Okay, and here we can fill only 1 2 3 4 5. there is a no repetition. Repetition means what? If I say repetition, then if we can say like one is there, one is here, one is here, one is here, like this we can say. Okay, so that's why in this question it is said that there is a no repetition. So just try your logic. Say how many types, what is the total number of ways, total number of digits can be formed through 1 2 3 4 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so see, in first box how many how many digits can we fill? Here in this box we can fill any numbers, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that means there is a 5 possibilities, 5 ways or 5 possibilities are there. Okay, for example, if I say I have fixed here the 5. Okay, here is not the 5, we are writing the 5 ways. Okay, let's say I have just written here the 2. Okay, 2 is taken here. Now we are left with only 4 digits like 1 3 4 5. Now in second place I am writing 3. Okay, so 3 is taken. So actually in the for the second place how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4. So 4 ways are there and we have chosen 1 out of that 4. Okay, now how many digits are left? 1 2 3. For this place 3 digits are left. Okay, so 3 ways are there. So we are taking another one. This is, we are taking this one for this place. Okay, now we are left with only 2 digits, that is 4 and 5. So we have 2 ways to fill this place. Okay, so we can say 2 ways to fill this place. We can say like we are writing 5. You can take any digits. I'm just giving you one example. So we are taking out of 2 ways, we are taking 1 way, that is 5. Now only 4 is there, so we can fill through that 1 way, that only 4 will be there, so it will be 1 way, so it will be 4. Okay, so total number of ways will be 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 way. So we have to multiply all things, all numbers, like 5 4 3 2 1. So it will be 5 4 3 2 and 1. So when you multiply, okay, when you see this one, it will be like it is 5 factorial. Actually this is 5 factorial. Now you can multiply this one. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 and 10, this is 12. So 12 multiplied by 10, that is 120. This is my way to multiply. Like I was also looking for a pair to multiply this type of questions, so it will be more easier for me. Okay, so it will be 120 ways, right? So look at this question. Like in an exam there are 5 true and false questions. Okay, 5 true and false questions. If a student answer to each questions randomly, so how many distinct answer sheet can be produced? Okay, so understand this one. Like we have only 2 true and false. Option is true and false. So in first question we can say like either true or false can be possible, right? There are 2 ways to answer the first question. Okay, right? So for the second question there is another 2 ways to answer that one. Like that for 5 questions there will be like 2 ways, then again 2 ways, then again 2 ways, like this. Okay, so total number of like how many distinct answer sheet can be produced? So we can multiply all ways. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, so that is 2 to power 5, and that is equal to 32, right? So 32 will be your answer. So this is actually the law of multiplication. Okay, understood? So this type of basic question you have to understand. So I think I have covered the basic things. In the next lecture, today I am not going further in detail like the formula things. So in the next lecture we will cover the formulas and the PYQs. Right now we have just covered 2 questions, 2 practice questions. So I hope you have understood the things. the concept of permutation and combination. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in comment sections, and if you like the video, like it and share it as much as possible. And till then, have a good night, practice well, and till then, bye, all the best, Jai Hind.